Every hero's journey starts with a single, transformative step. Today, you are that hero, standing on the threshold of a journey toward better health and fitness. Remember, the core of adventure lies not only in the destination, but in the courage to begin. Challenges will appear, like mountains on the horizon, forming habits, carving out time, balancing nutrition, committing to exercise, understanding the importance of rest, and recognizing the role of hydration. Each represents an obstacle, yet also an opportunity for growth, a test of will, bringing you one step closer to victory. Let these initial hurdles fuel your resolve, not deter you. The road to health is filled with trials, but together we will navigate it, transforming not just your physique, but your spirit. Embrace this adventure as we master the habits that lay the foundation of this journey. At our journey's heart, between the first step and the pinnacle of our goals, lies the cornerstone, mastering key habits. As you traverse this path, welcome the guardians: exercise, nutrition, sleep, and hydration. They pave the way to triumph. Exercise, our first ally, not only strengthens our muscles but bolsters our determination. Each drop of sweat is a testament to your resolve. Nutrition, our second guide, is the sustenance of our ascent, proving that every bite is a step toward wellness, empowering us to grow stronger. Sleep, the third beacon, rejuvenates our core, reminding us that rest is essential for resilience and vigor. Hydration, our final companion, is the essence of life, nurturing the temple of our soul with each sip. These habits are not mere tasks, but sacred rituals, lighting the way through doubt into victory's dawn. The journey is long, filled with challenges, but within you resides the power to conquer, shaped by your resolve. Let the light of these habits guide you, for they are the pillars of our transformation. And so we reach our journey's zenith, achieving victory. Your steadfast perseverance and dedication to the new habits have culminated in a profound transformation. It's not just the outward changes, but a deep-seated impact on your spirit. Take a moment to acknowledge this success. The balance you've maintained in every life aspect has been your silent ally, making every step and routine a natural integration into your daily life. Celebrate your achievements, each a significant milestone towards ultimate fitness. Remember, the pillars of exercise, nutrition, sleep, and hydration are not just tasks but the foundation of your well-being. As you revel in this success, understand that this victory lays the groundwork for a healthier future. This moment of triumph, achieved through consistent healthy habits, is yours to celebrate, for you have truly arrived at your victory.